Welcome to the Tax Magic Podcast. We are here for another kind of brief lesson. I like these. So my next topic for you, Kathy, is what are the mistakes that you see people take in their business where they think everything's deductible?
Well, that's a mistake.
Okay.
Because it's not.
So what are some of the things you see? When I was helping you, I would see groceries.
Groceries.
I would see every single meal, every single Starbucks, every single thing, like a $3 item, $2 item. I'm not saying it's not, but let's go over what are the rules for meals because they change all the time.
Every year. They change every year.
Every year. Where are we at right now?
Well, right
in 2024. No, 2025. See,
25.
I don't even know what year. We're working on 2024.
We're working on 24, so
Okay.
if you screw it up, we're going to fix it.
Got it.
So
let's go down to the rules of...
meals and entertainment are only half deductible.
Okay, so we see this
But
category...
No, entertainment's not deductible at all.
Yeah, so I see this
That's
category
meals and
in
entertainment.
QuickBooks, Quicken and QuickBooks. They will just create meals and entertainment as a default category.
Because it's an old program.
It's so old, and it completely throws people off.
Right.
So what are the rules?
Well, the rules
Your
are
country club, not deductible.
not deductible unless you're a professional golfer.
Oh,
Perhaps.
Okay.
You could make a justification for that.
Right.
The club dues would not be deductible, but if you take your clients there for a meal,
That one meal would be...
one meal would be deductible, but it's limited to 50%.
Got it.
It gets a haircut, is what I call
So when everyone's at dinner and they go, oh, it's fine, it's deductible. What does that really mean? What does that actually get?
I love that. It's a write-off.
It's a write-off.
Yeah. The write-off people will do it.
That's a write-off.
That's a write-off?
Yeah.
Do you even know what a write-off is?
Yeah. It's when you buy something for your business and the government pays you back for it.
Oh, and who pays for it?
Nobody. You write it off.
Who writes it off?
I don't know. The write-off people. What? Why are we having this conversation?
I know. So I bring in $100.
Yep.
I spend $100.
That means
So
your tax
zero
went
income.
zero.
Got it.
So
But on a meal, not the case.
No, you're going to have to add 50% of that back.
So I only get $50 off,
Correct. And
even though I spent a full 100.
correct.
So I feel like there's this kind of misnomer. Everyone's throwing around, oh, I'm getting this meal kind of thing. I don't think they really
It doesn't
pick up.
click.
Yeah, it doesn't click how that ends up on their tax return.
Well, most people don't even look at the tax return anyway because I will send them a 200-page tax return and I get it back in 30 seconds. So I know damn good and well they didn't read it.
Right.
But they did sign what they're supposed to, so it's okay with me.
So that's another one of the mistakes. Okay, so we have our meals and entertainment, big mistake.
Yep,
Your
entertainment
deductions.
is zero.
Entertainment is zero.
Nothing.
No Seinfeld tickets.
No Seinfeld tickets. However, if you were to take a team building event, if you take your entire office, your entire +1 to, let's say, a baseball game,
Okay.
where you were learning about an education, you gave a presentation to them, or something about,
So like you rent a room at the ballpark.
yeah, or you
So
do
to do your presentation,
yeah, or something like that.
and then
Then it's
then
by default you get to
you
watch.
get to stay and watch the game.
Yeah, strip clubs are not deductible in any way, shape, or form. Period. I had a client.
I had not seen that one in any of my days of doing taxes.
I have.
Okay.
But they were. I was an expert witness against the person that had written all that up. I'm like, you can't write it up.
Yeah.
So, and taking a limo to the strip club doesn't make that deductible either.
I do have to say, when I was working with the trading room, we did have guys ask us to pay certain bills so that their wives wouldn't see it.
Correct. And
That
it
was
was always if I'm his income.
Yeah. They didn't understand why that wasn't okay.
Oops. Well, their wife wouldn't either.
Yeah, exactly.
So
that's one okay, so we have that mistake.
yeah.
What are some other mistakes that people thought they used to be deductible and they just won't listen anymore?
Well, because they get
forget.
stuck in their ways.
Okay.
And I mean, I'm doing 22, 23, and 24 tax returns right now.
Right.
And I have found myself going, shitballs, it's the wrong year. Okay, got to take that off and put it over here. Because every year was different.
And COVID for a while made
100%
meals 100%.
Yeah.
Well, they're
There-
back to 50.
Right. But there was the, if you bring the meal in the office for the benefit of the employer,
All right.
It was 100%.
So that was like, Google provided all the meals for software engineers and stuff.
Correct.
And that was deductible for Google.
Right, but it was for the benefit of the company to keep them at their desk.
Yes. So is that one still?
I'd have to look it up to see if it's still deductible in 25, because I haven't looked at 25 yet. I'm still in back there.
Fair enough. All right. Any other mistakes that come to mind?
They write off their clothes
Oh,
because they have to wear them to work.
I used to.
Drawing clothes. But if you put a logo and you wear it as a uniform,
Those aren't as attractive.
no, they're not very attractive, but they would be deductible.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not important to me.
No, it's not. But for some people, it would be, because I wear T-shirts all the time.
Okay.
Slap the logo on. I
Yes.
just put
Construction
the logo
company.
right here.
Put the logo
Sure.
company 100% deductible. All right.
It
You,
becomes marketing
course.
at that point. Because
Yeti.
this is a de minimis client gift
Ah,
that I use all the time.
all the time.
Show me.
Oh, show me. Show me. I'm the show me state. Because cregango.com. And by the way, I'm not the band in Ireland.
I didn't know there was a band in us.
Cregan and Company.
I don't think there's a lot of people who.
If you Google Cregan and Company, the band comes up.
Now the band comes up first,
I
even though
don't-
you've had the.
I don't know if it comes up first or not, but it comes up on the page
All right. What's another mistake?
in Ireland. And another mistake, not listening to your CPA.
Okay.
Not keeping a mileage log.
Oh yes.
Mile IQ. Super simple. It was $5 a month. Do not know how much it is now, but you can have multiple cars and you got multiple businesses, and you just put it in when you get in the car and it does itself.
So I do have to say, my uncle was just absolutely
Meticulous.
about this.
Even when you didn't need it.
We have the mileage logs back to the 1960s with every single mile he ever drove,
You might want to copy them.
personal and all the rest of it.
Yeah.
Crazy. But you didn't, and he like for meals or wherever he spent money, he just did not get up from the table
No, you write it on the
before
back.
he had done exactly everything. And, sometimes, you're all ready to go and we're like, okay, they're waiting for the table. They're clearing it off. No, he does not care. He is just sitting there as long as it takes to meticulously write that. And I will always have that memory. Yes.
He will win.
He will win.
He will win.
Yes. That's the kind of documentation.
Correct.
Right.
Correct. You have to put on who was there, what the business purpose was.
Do you have to put the discussion of the
Well, what the business
Little-
just
okay.
like we discussed mergers and acquisitions or business or
this client file? Or,
something like that.
okay. Thanks for tuning in to the Tax Magic Podcast.
Because the more you know, the less you owe. It's magic.
This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute professional advice of any kind. Always consult with your tax professional. Be sure to read this full disclosure. Listener discretion is advised.